character. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. One low brother man say Rasta. Who goes? It must be Jaja. Thank goodness I don't have to wonder. I know he is forever. Christ in his kingly character. 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 His foundation is in the holy mountains. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of the Almighty. He's the living legend of this Iowa, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Christ in his kingly character. 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 Many know the truth and hide it. Many feeling the vibes and try to avoid it. But the truth must be revealed. I know my God is real. Christ in his kingly character. 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 The King of all kings. Mama Africa, Mama Africa, am I coming home? Am I coming home? Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn blue, grace turn blue. I'm saying these words to let you know how much I care, and I won't let go. Even though we're oceans away, you're with me day by day. Memories of you keep flashing through my mind. The very thought of you make my time. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn blue, grace turn blue. Don't you worry now, I won't be long. Sweet paradise, I'm coming soon. When I'm with you, I can't be wrong. If not in May, then you'll see me in June. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn blue, grace righteousness. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. There's no room for the ungodly, none for the workers of iniquity. Only pure in hearts and clean hands. So be good, oh little ones. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Everything seems so real. The warmness of Jah I could feel. His love filled me up. Oh Lord, I didn't want to wake up. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Yeah, I saw Zion in a vision. Hey, yeah, hey. We were all singing the same song, giving praises to the Almighty One. All I could feel was happiness, surrounded by righteousness. Zion in a vision. I mean it. Zion in a vision. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Family reunion. I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone.
Look what is going on. People try and understand. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then go and get stronger. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then go and get stronger. Yeah. Palm economy and me brethren sit down. A reason of the person, time to come. Didn't have no wicked intention, fluting and shooting down anyone. Something happened I never expect. Police run down and beat me brethren next to that. When me see what I want, I never hesitate. Me have to jump a fence just for escape. I can't bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then one get stronger. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then one get stronger. His condition was so critical. Him have to admit in the hospital, suffering from pain and under police guard. I pray night and day to help me, oh Lord. I can't bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then one get stronger. I cannot bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then one get stronger. Woo. Woo. Time to come. Didn't have no wicked intention, looting and shooting down anyone. Something happened I never expect. Police run down and beat me brethren next to that. When me See what I want, I never hesitate. Me have to jump a fence just for escape. I can't bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage to this, then go and get stronger. It's a lucky thing me did get up and run. I rest of Babylon, them woulda shoot me down. I was saved by the Almighty, who always keep a watch over me. I can't bear it out no longer. If you don't put a stoppage,
me against you, you against me. No more. If me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. If me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. I just the other night me get caught up in a trouble. I fight me a fi fight fi get out of the struggle. Their faces were looking so brutal, crucial, trying to get my admiral, but I will run if I have to run. So I can live to fight another day. I will stand up if I have to stand, and move all obstacles out of the way. Hey, if me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. If me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. Out in the street is like a battlefield where people die every day. More and more prophecy I reveal. I've got so much things to say. The world is in a trouble, trouble is in the world. So clear everyone can see. If we just stick together, stop killing one another, how glorious it would be. Hey, if me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. If me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run. When me hear a voice say look out, them a come. Hey, The other night me get caught up in a trouble. I fight me have to fight to get out of the struggle. Their faces were looking so brutal, crucial, trying to get the admiral. I will run if I have to run, so I can live to fight another day. I will stand up if I have to stand, and move all obstacles out of the way. Hey, 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 hey. If me never run, if me never run. If me never run, me woulda get shot down. If me never run, if me never run.
Yes, get messy. Easy sugar, right, boy. Na 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 na. Where Coco tell them say, stop it. White collar executive, stop run rocket. Cause if you check them pocket, things you wouldn't believe, the boy them got it. Boy, there ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. All about the dying for mercy. Well, some of them down from them hat, them shoes and socks. War and crime, corruption, them a mingle up in a that. Big shot, executive, but them are your cat. The looting, executing have to stop. I tell them, drop it. Big shot, man, please stop the rocket. Boy, they want to put a padlock on your mouth. If you speak the truth, them flush you out. Influence the youth, them east, west, north and south. And then them tell the cops to shoot them out. There ain't no love in the city. They're treating the youth without a pity. No love in the country. That's why them say black man a monkey. La 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 la. Well, everyone want to have a SUV. Sell the coke and sell the crack and then they make the money. Criticize the ganja man, say he must sell drug. And when you take a sack of them house, the feds bug. Stop it, white collar executive, stop run the racket. Boy, yo, me a tell them drop it. Big Magnum, yes I them got it. Boy, yo, enough of them a perpetrator for the crime. Yet them paying innocent every time. But if only you could see them when it comes to night time, you'd have seen them execution sign. Tell them to stop it. Corruption, yes, them to drop it. Boy, oh, yeah, I tell them stop it. Big Magnum with them counting in them pocket. Boy, oh, yeah, there ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. Jah, please have some mercy on the heathen. I beg you one again. They want to put a padlock on your mouth. If you speak the truth, them flush you out. Influencing you, them east, west, north and south. Then tell the policeman to shoot them out. Stop it, stop it. Them better stop run rocket. I man not tell them drop it. And the rude boy alone them got it. I man say stop it. Tell them say they stop run rocket. Say drop it. Big executive stop run rocket. Boy, there ain't no love in the city. They're treating the people without pity. No love in the country. Jah, please have some mercy. No love in a Jamaica. Lord, say blood is running like a water. Blood is running like water. La 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 la. Me ready for them dread. I am ready, whoa, whoa, Lord. I ready dread, me ready again for them to beat back biters, chant on Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back biters, chant on Eden. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lord, who always fight against their friends, Lord, Lord. And I don't wanna be like them heathen who always try to mislead Jaja children. Oh, no, Jaja the Baji. Oh, no, Lordy the Lordy. How can some people say that God don't exist, Lord? What kind of hypocritical mockery is this? Tell me now, people, when they're the same one who sold us the Bible, Jaman, then why are they so contrary? I don't know. Rasta no, we no. I don't know. Rasta no. So ready again for them to beat back by the chant, don't Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to whip them back by the chant, don't Eden. How can some people say they don't love Israel? Are they imposters or Jezebel? Tell me now, people, out of their same mouth these words were spoken, that Haile Selassie is the King of Israel. Rasta, I don't know. Make them a one, so I don't know. Down in the party, so ready again for them to beat back by the child down Eden dread. Ready again for them to beat back by the child down Eden. Oh yeah. Because I'm ready, boy. Me ready again, dread. Yes, I'm ready, Lord. new party. And I don't wanna be like them heathen who always try to mislead Jaja children. Oh, no, Rasta no, no. Oh, no, Lordy. So ready again for them to beat back by the chant out Eden dread. Ready again for them to whip back by the chant out Eden Ras. Ready again for them to beat them back by the chant out Eden dread. Ready again for them to beat back by the chant out Eden. I'm ready, well.
Yo. Leave out of Babylon, sons and daughters of Zion. Leave out of Babylon, forward to your promised land. Get yourself in line, or you will be left behind. Africa is calling, come home, son. Zionite, holy Mount Zionite, a place where mankind are trouble free. Let's give thanks and praise to the Most High every time. It's time to live in love and unity. Yaga yo. Yaga yo. Leave out of Babylon, sons and daughters of Zion. Leave out of Babylon, forward to your promised land. Get yourself in line, or you'll be left behind. Forward to Zion, every time. Yaga yo. Yaga yo. Zionite, holy Mount Zionite, a place where mankind are trouble free. Let's give thanks and praise to the Most High every time. It's time to live in love and unity. Yaga yo. Leave out of Babylon, sons and daughters of Zion. Leave out of Babylon.
Let's feel our love under the shadow of the Almighty. Let's build our love under the shadow of His wings. Let's build our dreams in the house of the Almighty. Let's put our trust and heart in Him. Those who have eyes, let them see. Those who have ears, let them hear. Sons and daughters of Adam, be on the right track. Seed of Jacob, wake up out of your sleep and slumber. Let's build our love under the shadow of the Almighty. Let's build our love under the shadow of His wings. Let's build our dreams in the house of the Almighty. Let's put our trust and heart in Him. When you kill your brother, you only kill yourself. Then you'll have to pay, your life will be taken away. Jahami cut short, yes, we're two brothers short. No one to blame, no one but yourself. Let's build our love under the shadow of the Almighty. Let's build our love under the shadow of His wings. Let's build our dreams in the house of the Almighty. Let's put our trust and heart in Him. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Ignorance can solve the case. Keep calm and think and you'll enjoy the race. Humble yourself, mankind, humble yourself. Jah will guide you along the way. Let's build our love under the shadow of the Almighty. Let's build our love under the shadow of His wings. Let's build our dreams in the house of the Almighty. Let's put our trust and heart in Him. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, children? Whoa.
Lift up the name of my King, friend. Then let your name be lifted up also. Rise up the emblem, make it flow. Then you will see the good vibes that they flow. Lift up the name of Him, friend. Then let your name be lifted up also. Rise up the banner, make it flow. Then you will see the good vibes. Let me hear you say Jah. 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 Selassie be my guide forevermore. Yeah. Tafari be my light from shore to shore. Selassie be my guide more and more. Say sons and daughters of Zion weep no more. Let me hear you say Jah. Let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. I'm wide and awake now and watch the wicked heart obey. Send me another earthquake, Jah. Say Vatican City of the shake. Yo, I'm wide and awake now and watch the Eden heart obey. Send me another earthquake, yo. Vatican City of the shake. No compromising in this time. Now seize them sun till them wall drop a ground. Deep in a room, Babylon a figure down. I down to Mount Zion bound. Selassie I'm a crown. Let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. Lift up the name of my King, right? Then let your name be lifted up also. Rise up the emblem, make it flow, friend. Then you will see the good vibe that flow. Lift up the name of Him, friend. Then you will see the good vibe. Let me hear you say Jah. 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 Firm as the mountain, that's how your spring will stand. Bright as the sun ray, that's how your light will glow. From the slum to heaven's bound, Selassie be clear I name. Now go down with them Eden from Eden is in my figure down. Let me hear you say Jah. Let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. And let me hear you say Jah. Zion, I chant every day. Yeah. Oh, everything is everything. As long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the bad cat, I'm a flip. I know there's a space for me in Shannon. Everything is everything. As long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the bad cat. backyard, them a fling. I know there's a space for me in your garden. Say me no chances, no effort to keep me strong. The fools them a pray but prayer, them wanted to keep me down. Some of them call me a runaway, a failure in the race. But I know that your Selassie got a place for me. See, everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know there's a place for me in your garden. Everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm singing. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know in your garden I got me a place. Though I can't control tomorrow, still me not gonna follow the enemies like me paro. Sing this, oh, man a soldier, me not scout. Tell them me not come to sell out. Don't miss the eat, then I sprout. Like them one box food out of me mouth. See, everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know there's a space for me in your garden. Everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know in your garden I got me a place. Just if you try this one, and let the fools be calm. So me no afraid of sinking sand. Earth for now, I ground me stand. Oh, Jah will lift me higher. I know will take me over. Jah know make the enemy devour. I know. Everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know there's a space for me in your garden. Everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know in your garden I got me a place. Them say me now have no chances, no resource to keep me strong. See them a pray bad wishes, bad bridges to keep me down. But I should have been chances, cause I know it's Selassie me belong. And I know it's Selassie got a place for me. Oh, everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living. Now watch the backyard, them a fling. I know there's a space for me in your garden. Everything is everything, as long as just sun still shine, I'm living.
There were 7 Spanish angels, 7 Spanish angels. She looked down in her deep brown eyes. She said, say a prayer for me. She threw her arms around him, whispered, God will keep us free. They could hear the riders coming. He said, this is my last fight. If they take me back to Texas, they won't take me back alive. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the gun. When the bottle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. And 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. She reached down and picked the cup that lay smoking in his hands. She said, Father, please forgive me. I can't make it without my man. And she knew the gun was empty, and she knew she couldn't win. Her final prayer was answered when the rifles fired again. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the gun. When the bottle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. And 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. He looks down in her deep brown eyes. She said, say a prayer for me. She threw her arms around him, whispered, God will keep us free. They could hear the riders coming. He said, this is my last fight. If they take me back to Texas, they won't take me back alive. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the guns. When the bottle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. And 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. She reached down and picked the gun up that lay smoking in his hands. She said, Father, please forgive me. I can't make it without my men. Then she knew the gun was empty, and she knew she couldn't win. Her final prayer was answered when the rifles fired again. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the guns. When the bottle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne. And 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers. Bark if you're barking. Oh yes, let them talk, keep them talking. Hey, we're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Who have ears to hear, let them hear. And who have eyes to see, let them see. No one in this world can stop me, 'cause I'm protected by the Almighty. Jah is with me wherever I go. Oh, I know Jah loves me so. One thing I know, and of that I'm sure. I'm gonna talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking. Oh yes, we've got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. And I know we're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Let them say what they wanna say. What they do or say can't lead I astray. Jah is I guide day by day, and He's I help in every way. Talk, keep them talking. I'm gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. Oh, we're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Let them pass all the dirty remarks. If they were dogs, then they would bark. Chew them, don't know them corners soon dark. Just like old chop, Jah gonna put them to park. Talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. We're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking, yeah. We've got a lot more coming, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Keep them talking, yeah. Whoa, whoa, oh, talk too much. Let them talk too much. You talk too much. I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. Hey, you Mr. Lying Tongue, you shouldn't say what you've said. Now you make me mad. I'm feeling like I'm gonna break your head. Whoa, whoa. I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got show it. I am vexed, I know I just can't hide it. You regard us as animals, our predecessors as cannibals. You say we came from the ape, but we know the truth, so you are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we're from. So to hell with you and your brainwashed education. I'm vexed, I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed, yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed, I know I just can't hide it. Coming with your bag of tricks, telling us nothing but foolishness. How much you are our superior and sin cause of a complexion to be looking like this. Whoa, whoa, I am vexed, I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed, yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed, I know I just can't hide it. Hey, Mr. Langton, you shouldn't say what you said. Now you make me mad, I'm feeling like I'm gonna break your head. Oh Lord, I am vexed, I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed, yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed, I know I just can't hide it. You regard us as animals, our predecessors as cannibals. Yes, you say we came from the ape, but we know the truth, so you are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we're from.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? And you alone would like to cross a border which is out of order. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? While I'm trying to get over, you're trying to keep me under, yeah. I'm worshiping God, you're worshiping Satan. Your evil thought is in your intention. Every day your greatest wish is to see an innocent man perish. But I got to keep away as far as I can, for this is a world of corruption. They pretend just as good as you know a friend should. So tell me, why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? And you alone would like to cross a border which is out of order. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? While I'm trying to get over, you're trying to keep me under, yeah. When I'm up, you try to keep me down. To you it doesn't matter if I stay on the ground. With your evil thoughts you try to take control, but Jah is always protecting my soul. Tell me, why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? And you alone would like to cross a border which is out of order. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? While I'm trying to get over, you're trying to keep me under, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. The more and more you see me try, with your evil thoughts, don't want to see me get by. I don't care what you say, you're just a stumbling back in my way. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? And you alone would like to cross a border which is out of order. Why are you trying to stop a dragging man from prosper? While I'm trying to get over,
righteous. Yeah. Envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, envious and deceitful people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. You have to try to get up light if you wanna hold your head up high. It might be rough, it might be tough. I don't believe in giving up. Is a hard road to travel, and a mighty long way to go. Tell me when you're gonna run to, when the trumpet blow. You don't have no love, your heart is full of grudge. You always want to be above, so you get involved working iniquity just to achieve vanity. But by the sweat of your brow we all shall eat bread. That's what my father said. Look how hard I have to work to build a roof over my head. Yes, envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, no, no. Envious and covetous people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. Oh, be unto the iniquity workers. Yeah. They don't want to see me prosper. No. Oh, be unto the iniquity workers. There will be lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire. Yeah, yeah. Envious and bad-minded people, they don't want to see me going forward, but only backward. No, no, no. Envious and covetous people, they don't want to see me stepping forward, but only backward. Hey, I know there is a place of love and happiness. Oh yes, a wonderful place I would like to be. No sadness but only gladness. Oh yes, we shall all live in love and unity. So go away, stay away, envious and bad-minded people. Envious. Whoa, Papa, you should have seen your little son, Mama. The first time the youth come to New York, them tell him youth, you mustn't skylark. Learn a trade or go to school, and don't you turn yourself in a fool. But now him gone a Rikers Island, him never want go a Rikers Island. But now him gone a Rikers Island, him never want go a Rikers Island. You shoulda hear what your mama say. Keep on pushing drugs and then you must fade away. You shoulda hear what your papa say. Send you to America, no send you there to play. But now him gone a Rikers Island, him never want go a Rikers Island. Him used to chuck it from Brooklyn to Bronx, and I gone like the most top ranks. But now for him government response, cause him gone a Rikers Island. Him used to mix up with the Dan man, and now him gone a Rikers Island. Well, oh mama, I wish you were around to see your son how him going down, and how the waters them bounce him around. Him used to chuck it from town to town, and used to shot people all around, man. Uptown and downtown and all around. But now him gone a Rikers Island, him never want go a Rikers Island, and now him gone a Rikers Island. I'm a saying,
First time the youth come to New York, them tell him youth, you mustn't skylark. Learn a trade or go to school, and don't you turn yourself in a fool. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him shouldn't mix up with the Dan man. I'm a saying, hear me now. You shoulda hear what your mama say. Quit the fast money and go the right way. You never hear what him papa say. Coming out this country, so the laws you must obey. Now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. And mama saying it, and papa saying it. Now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Him never want go a Rikers Island. Oh Lord, hear me now. And ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. Oh Lord, I say no. Him never want go a Rikers Island. But now him gone a Rikers Island. Only Rastafari can help I and I in this time, I say. Cause it rain in Babylon this day now. Ja Rastafari on the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Ja Rastafari on the Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Cause I said I know that Jah is real. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. No. Some dep on the television and I try to denounce the man. Feel them I feel cause them don't know about the man. Some dep on the radio and I chat with them don't know. A rumor them a spread me know say nothing no go so. Me said I know that Jah he is real. Crowd of people it's something that I know, not just what I feel. So Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Ja Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday too, boy. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, well. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday will do, well. Hey. Run them around off the mouth, but we don't care a damn. Because a gear Rasta man gear up, we go fight the Gideon. Because the battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. And oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. The battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. Oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. Because I know that Jah he is real. Boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Oh, I said I know that Jah he is real. Oh, boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Not at all, boy. Some dep on the television and I try to denounce the man. Blasphemers, watch yourself, you lose your foot and lose your hand. Some dep on the radio and I chat with them, no know. A rumor them must make me know, say nothing no go so. Because I know that Jah he is real, real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I can feel. Yes, I said I know that Jah is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Ja Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon. I wanna be free. Oh, I'm trapped
in Babylon Junction. I'm trapped, can't complete my mission. Yeah. Because I'm trapped. Woke up this morning in a curfew. Yeah. Button stick lick, make my back black and blue. I'm trapped. Pellets flying left and right. I'm trapped. All got to do is duck and hide. Whoa, Babylon system set me free. Free as a bird in the tree, with no one offending me. I'll be happy as can be. Yeah. Oh yeah. Try to screech across the borderline. I'm trapped. Yes, the lawman was just in time. Yes, white squalor bite from morning. Now the nighttime come is just the same. Whoa, Babylon system set me free. Free as a bird in the tree, with no one offending me. I'll be happy as can be. Whoa, oh yeah, I'll be free. Oh yeah, yeah. Whoa, I want to be free. Oh yeah, yeah. Woke up this morning in a curfew. Yeah. Button stick lick make my back black and blue. Yes. Pellets lying left and right. All you got to do is duck and hide. Whoa, Babylon system set I free. Free as a bird in the tree, with no one offending me. I'll be happy as can be. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, Babylon system set I free. Free as a bird in the tree, with no one offending me. I'll be happy as can be. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa, Babylon system set me free. Free as a bird in the tree, with no one offending me. I'll be happy as can be. Yeah. I'm trapped, I know. I want the way out. It's a heavy load I carry down here. 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 I'm the provider for my family. Yes, and everyone else is depending on me. I don't deal with no partiality, no way. Jah, have mercy on me. Mama said come call me, she needs some money. Papa wanna see me, him acting funny. Auntie stop to check me, she want for taxi. My little brother is making a courtesy call. My little brother is making a courtesy call. It's a heavy load I carry down here. 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 Every man think his burden is the heaviest. Ooh. And every man aim is to achieve the best. The man God bless, no man curse. tax me. My little brother is making a courtesy call. My little brother is making a courtesy call. I'm the provider for my family, yeah, and everyone else is depending on me. I not deal with no partiality. Ooh, so have a little mercy on me. It's a heavy, 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 heavy load carried down here. It's a heavy, 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 heavy load carried down here.
In every corner right. It's hard to find love in this world, 'cause everyone has a foot to go. But you love me to my core, and I can call on you to guide me, because your love won't deny me. Watch over me, don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. Watch over me, don't lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. In my going out and my coming in, I pray you protect my territory. Give me the eyes to see what is in front and behind me. Help me overcome my burden. I know your promise will never be broken. I don't wanna sleep with one night open. I pray, watch over me. Don't let me lose my way. Watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. Watch over me. Don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain on me. Confusion in every corner I turn. It's hard to find love in this world, yeah. 'Cause everyone has a foot inside the door. But you love me to my core, and I can call on you to guide me, because your love won't deny me. Watch over me, don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. Watch over me, don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. Hey, yeah. Watch over me, don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much pain surround me. Watch over me, don't let me lose my way. I pray, watch over me. Too much evil and pain surround me. Watch over me. Hey. Watch over me. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, na 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 na. Yeah. Can you feel the crying of the people? Struggle every day. The young ones out there on the street, some already gone astray. All you see here about is the money that you take, then deceive the people with your tricks. Now look what you create, and now we all are paying for it. Become mistake, leaders of the world. You don't care about the people. Oh no, no. Leaders of the world, start caring for the people. Oh no, yeah. I know that day's gonna come when things will go our way, and the ones, those who create this mess, they're gonna have to pay. We're hurting and I know you know it. Stop playing the games you play. Yeah. Leaders of the create. And now we all are paying for it because of your mistake. Leaders of the world, you don't care about the people. Oh no, no. Leaders of the world, start caring for the people. Oh no, yeah. I know that they're gonna come when things will go our way. And the ones, those who create this mess, they're gonna have to pay. We're hurting and I know you know it. Stop playing the games you play. Leaders of the world, you don't care about the people. Oh no, no. Leaders of the world, you don't care about the people. Oh no, no. All you seem to care about is the money that you take, then deceive the people with your tricks. Now look what you create, and now we all are paying for it because of your mistake. Leaders of the world, you don't care about the people. Oh no, no. Leaders of the world, start caring for the people.
Now here comes the original thing called Anthony Cruz in original style. Sing by the crucial vice, love is all I bring. Check this. Me don't want no man to bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man to bring gun come a dance. Cause it just a mash up with party. It just a mash up with community. So watch ya man. Dirts man dead off, bogle dead off, pan net dead off, enough man dead off. Remember early B and Tennessee. How much more get the youths I go dead off? Me want to see the positive vibes I build back. The dance all crack and all the whole place a rock. Nobody nah dead, nobody nah bust no shot. Every man have a woman in a corner a rock. Dance off big one, build some more land. When the man will sell the nuts, the cane, the man will sell the corn. When the good vibes gone, tell the man them pick on. Come on, step on your shoes, tell him pick one. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause it just a mash up with party. It just a mash up with community. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause it just a mash up with country. It just a mash up with community. See the dirts man dead off, bogle dead off, pan net dead off, enough man dead off. Remember early B and Tennessee. Forget a gonna sink, you know me can. Hey, hey, bring back those days when the dance used to nice and selector used to play it twice. No one to see the positive vibes I build back. No man nah dead, nobody nah bust no shot. The dance are black up and the whole place a rock. Every man have a woman just a dance and a rock. Dance a big one, build some more land. When the man will sell the nuts, the cane, the man will sell the corn. When the good vibes gone, tell the man them pick on. Come on, step on your shoes, tell him pick one. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause it just a mash up with party. It just a mash up with community. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause it just a mash up with country. It just a mash up with community. See the dirts man dead off, bogle dead off, pan net dead off, enough man dead off. Remember early B and Tennessee. Forget a gonna sink, you know me can. Hey, bring back those days when the dance used to nice and selector used to play it twice. No one to see the positive vibes I build back. No man nah dead, nobody nah bust no shot. The dance are black up and the whole place a rock. Every man have a woman just a dance and a rock. Dance a big one, build some more land. When the man will sell the nuts, the cane, the man will sell the corn. When the good vibes gone, the man them pick on. Come on, step on your shoes, come on. Tell him fig one, dance a fig one, build some more long.
I wanna share something with you, something with you. Oh God, oh God, share something with you. Yeah. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Yeah. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. We have the power to turn things around. It's for us to stand up when we fall to the ground. I say this with a smile, pause for a while. Listen, my son, the prophets have come. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. No use in trying to compromise the truth. Our eyes are open, we're taking our youths to the land of our father, Mama Africa. Mama, prepare yourselves, tell it to your neighbor. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. Striking the rock, making true love flow. Oh, that flowing love is what we need to go. With this, things can only be better. Setting the foundation for the future. Music is a rod, and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Yeah. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron.
I'm going to tell them again, alright. You be, you bang, be. You be, you bang, then. You be, you bang, then. It's a hot, sweet property in Africa. Oh, because me have a many friends and me we treat them well, but never do with them a my secret well. Cause when my friends become my foe, all over the world my story will go so hot. Sweet property is hot again. Hey, everybody sing. You be, you bang, be. You be, you bang, then. You be, you bang, the dang, dang. I just hot. Sweet property is hot again. Lord, send up for them the text that the cocoa did done, but no a cocoa you never exit the land. Go put a little cup up on the fire, make it warm, and come forward like a raging storm. I just hot. Sweet property is hot again. Whoa, and everybody sing. You be, you bang, be. You be, you bang, then. You be, you bang, the dang, dang. A cup of tea, Lord of God. Hot him, hot again. Whoa, because I tell them once, I tell them twice, I tell them twice, the Lord of Jesus Christ. I tell them four, then tell them five. Cup of tea, Lord of God, come to keep dance all alive. One more time, I sing. Dooby-dooby-dooby-doo, bang, then. Be-dooby-dooby-dooby-doo, bang, then. You be, I just hot. Sweet cocoa is hot again. Whoa, everybody sing. You be, you bang ding. You be, you bang boom boom. Dong be ding dang di dang dang. I just hot. Sweet cocoa is hot again. Whoa. So enough of them they check say that the cocoa did gone. But know a cocoa tea you never exit the lawn. Me put a little cocoa on the fire make you warm and come forward like a raging storm. I just hot. Sweet cocoa tea is hot again. Whoa, everybody sing. You be, you bang be yung deng. You be, you bang deng. Hey, you be yung bang di dang dang. I just hot. Sweet cocoa tea is hot again. Whoa, me say me have a many friends and me we treat them well, but never two of them a mama secret tell. Cause when my friends becomes my foe, all over the world my story will go. I just hot. Sweet cocoa tea is hot again. Aye, everybody sing. You be, you bang be yung deng. You be, you bang deng. Hey, you be yung dang do dang dang. I just hot. Sweet cocoa tea is hot again. Let me sing it out. You be, you bang deng. You be, you bang boom boom. You be yung bang di dang dang. I just hot. Sweet cocoa tea is hot again. Lord, come and say watch out the girls them a wind up.
Babylon, I want you to understand. I'm referring to all wicked men. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. 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 Me can't walk as me like. Me can't talk as me like. Me can't sing as me like. No, me can't do as me like. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. But just the other night, I was coming from a party, and here comes a Jeep, drove down in front of me. As quick as it stopped, some men jump out, asking me some question of things I know not about. Because I could not answer, they knocked me in my mouth. Suddenly I hear some people crying out. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Yeah, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. If them see I with a split, them said boy don't like it. Although it's against the law, them wouldn't even let me take the last straw. Them take me to jail, lock I down and give me no bail. So advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Yeah, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. Yeah, advantage, Babylon them have us advantage. This is advantage. You can't get no privilege. This is advantage. You can't get no privilege. The mother under bandage, the father under bandage, the brothers under bandage, the sisters under bandage. Oh, advantage, Babylon them have us under bandage. Yeah, advantage, Babylon them have us under bandage. Advantage, Babylon them have us under bandage. Advantage, Babylon them have us under bandage. Me can't walk as me like. Me can't talk as me like.